Hey guys, it's Amber, and I'm getting ready to work on my June Project Life spread for the month. I've got a selection of photos here. A couple, actually only like one of these is really from Week in the Life. I was trying not to pull too many photos from that. This one of Jared is from there. But I've got some cookies that I made. Picture with Cypher. We got some roses that were blooming, working out, just a good hair day. Beautiful sunset out of our front driveway looking area. One of the kitties being silly. Strawberries and like a dip I made. The girls in their room. Cypher with me on the couch, teaching Jarrett one of my favorite games. Some of our tiger lilies were blooming in different colors, so I've got a shot of each of those. And then I also had an MRI in early June, so I've got a photo of the place where I went, a photo of myself in my robe, and then I also have my wristband that I saved as a little bit of ephemera from that. My goal is to put that along the 4x6 photo here. So I'm going to be mainly using my Ali Edwards June Stories by the Month kit. So I've got my stamp, these quote bubbles. I'm not sure if I left enough room on the photos to use those to add journaling, but we'll see. I've got my chipboard. I've got the June circles, these like painted floral things for the love of June. These, I really like these kinds of cards. There was another card with this pattern a long time ago and a similar color scheme too, and I really liked it, but I'm not sure it's gonna match this one. We'll see. Like, it kind of matches a few things, but what I could do is cut it into 2 3x4s and tell like mini stories that way. We'll see. There's a green card here. The stickers this month I thought were a weird choice to be black and white and gray. So we'll see if I use any of those, not sure. And then of course there's the 4 main cards that come every month in the color scheme of the kit. And then there's a couple cute ones here. Sunshine, ready for a bit more ease, just one of those days, and celebrating. So I really love the colors. I'm excited to play with them a bit and get everything cut out. Just want to make sure I'm not missing anything. Yeah, so I'm ready to get going on that, and can't wait to see how everything comes out. It's going to be interesting because the colors don't really coordinate with the kit this month. Even though I know that will help tie everything together, it will be an interesting spread. So we'll see where we end up. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to start putting all the photos into the pockets here. I'm starting with all the 4x6s, and I'm going to apologize now in advance because something happened while I was filming and my phone decided to like crazy auto zoom. So I lost quite a bit of the footage. So here I'm just trying to put the photos together that make sense, or the colors kind of coordinate, like those are 2 food photos, or they're black and white cookies with pictures of my black and white cat, you know, things like that. So just based on size and theme, I'm just trying to get them organized. So just working on getting those filled in, and here's where it's going to start to zoom in a little bit more and it gets worse later, so I just cut that out. So I apologize, this is the best I could do with the bottom half being cut off. So I'm just making those decisions on getting the cards kind of placed as I'm going here. So I pretty much got that right side figured out. And you saw there I was kind of counting how many photos I had based on how many spots on the left hand side, so I can figure out where the journaling cards are going to start getting placed. And if you watched my May video, this actually ends up mirroring the May side of the other side of the layout quite a bit, actually, even where the cards are. So I'm just deciding there where to put some things based on that color, like that orange sun card. I wanted to put that at the top left, but that For Love of June card that I cut down from a 4x6 into a 3x4 looked better at the top, so I moved that orange card down. It's a little darker, heavier, made more sense at the bottom. So here I'm just using my trimmer to cut down the wristband to a 4x6. I'm going to use the tiny attacher to stable it to the photo and then just layer a piece of chipboard over top. I'm just kind of covering up some parking lot Nothing really special there. So I got the journaling done off camera, and my chipboard pieces, I included a piece from last year's, and then I'm using my Ellie's Studio and my Life Crafted puffy hearts here to add some color and fun to that June circles card like I've been doing. And then pretty much done with this. It's a nice simple layout again. Really loving getting everything out of, you know, the computer, printed, able to be flipped through and get the product used, of course. And I will be sharing a live look at everything completely done here in just a moment. Okay, friends, I am all done. It's another simple layout. I feel guilty every month sharing them with you. I love the bright colors of the kits. I love getting all my photos printed and stories told, but I feel like it's like I don't really need to embellish them that much because they're so busy and there's so much already going on. So I guess that's that. Added my puppy hearts here to the main card. Did a little journaling here about how my roses came in hot pink this year. They kind of changed colors. Added another little puffy heart here, and this was about all the tiger lilies blooming. This is a little story time about how Safer gets really clingy when I've been away. Pulled this chipboard out from last year's kit because it coordinated. Put a little moment here of this year's kit, and then these are also all from this year's kit. So it has a right now story over the MRI stuff, and that journaling is done here, and that's a new Heidi Swap little mini date stamp. And then I have information here talking about playing Wingspan with the chipboard making time for more fun, which I thought was perfect. And then I just had a lot of room on this 4x6 of Jarrett, and just says the around here. So happy with all of that. And then I forgot to mention my journaling here, just lots of little details that maybe aren't in the photos. So anyway, really happy to have June done, and I will be moving on to July. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and if you're subscribed, you'll be automatically notified when I post new content. Thanks again.